Let's do my favorite go-to smoky eye. This is the look I always do when I don't know what to do. Starting off by using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I love using this as a primer. It's so good and I just blend it out with my finger. Then I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario Master Matte's Original Palette with the shade Matte 4, and I'm just going to sweep this in the crease. This palette is seriously one of my favorite purchases. It lives on my vanity. I use it all the time. If you're looking for a VIB sale recommendation, definitely pick this up. Next up, I'm gonna mix Matte 4 and the shade Mooncalf from the Monsters Book of Monsters palette and sweep this in the crease. I'm using both palettes because I feel like the Monsters Book of Monsters palette, the shades, the mattes specifically, were just so peachy, and I need something a little more neutral, so the Makeup by Mario palette kind of helps neutralizes everything. Once I'm done blending out the crease, I'm going back in with the Makeup by Mario palette and I'm using the shade Matte 3, and I'm using a fluffier flat brush and just patting this on the lid, and I'm kind of like putting it into the crease in a way where I'm mimicking a cut crease kind of look. Then I'm going to go back in with the Monsters Book of Monsters palette and the shade Grindalow, and I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take the same brush I used with the two crease shades and just blend everything out. I really take my time blending everything together, and this is really where you get the perfect smoky eye. And I'm using Jessup brushes for the crease and to apply the outer corner. I love, love, love these brushes. I will have them linked down below. They're so affordable and you can find them on Amazon. Also, if you've made it this far, please let me know if you want more videos like this. I kind of want to do them a little more frequently. Maybe a makeup tutorial once a week and another kind of video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see. Once I get the crease all blended out, I move on to the rest of my makeup, and then I'm going to go back to my lower lash line where I'm going to take M4 and the shade Mooncalf and run that along the lower lash line and up into the crease a little bit to just tie everything together. And then because I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer to this look to give it a little pizzazz, I'm going to go in with the shade Demi Guys and pop this in my inner corner. The shimmer shades in this palette are more like toppers to me, but they're still really pretty. Off camera, I did add a brown eyeliner from Colfi. That's how I do my favorite go-to smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!